Introducing the Ultra WJ, a multifunction welding system designed for modern shade fabrication. Easily weld pockets, keeters, spline, and zippers, and join fabric panels with integrated overlap mode. Customize every weld with adjustable temperature, pocket depth, heating times, and cooling times. Track your workflow using the weld cycle counter, and operate with confidence using the intuitive PLC control panel and safety-first design. Available in 6-meter or 7-meter widths, with a 10mm weld seam and pocket sizes from 0.6 to 2.4 inches. Effortless keeter application begins here. The Ultra WJ precisely aligns and seals keeter to your shade panels in one smooth pass. No manual adjustments required. Tight, consistent seams ensure performance under tension and repeated use. With adjustable weld settings and fast operation, the Ultra WJ keeps your production moving while delivering a clean, professional finish. It's the ideal solution for tension systems and track-guided shades that demand accuracy. Next, let's take a closer look at pocket sealing. A welded pocket is a critical feature in nearly every roller shade, from small residential treatments to large-scale commercial systems. The Ultra WJ forms clean sealed pockets for weighted hem bars without bulky overlaps or wrinkles. You can store over 100 heat and cooling profiles, allowing you to switch between fabric types and pocket sizes without reprogramming, saving time and ensuring consistency. Now, let's look at zipper sealing. With the Ultra WJ, you can achieve strong, even zipper welds built for track-guided applications. The system ensures accurate alignment and uniform bonding, minimizing rework and maximizing reliability. Whether you're assembling guided roller systems or zipper tension shades, the Ultra WJ handles it with speed and precision. Ready to see the Ultra WJ in action? Visit us in Glendora, California for a private demo or contact our team for a custom quote.